Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you want your house to look like a museum like mine? Well, these are definitely perfect for you. My kids do art all the time, especially my little girl. She loves art, and we pretty much hang up everything that she does. And our walls were just getting so messed up and things from me trying to hammer nails in there. But I had to get these command strips, and they are so easy to use. You don't have to pull out your hammer, and it just looks so much cleaner and better when you remove them. I accidentally hung this command strip upside down, so this is me removing it. Notice how easy it is to come off, and it did not leave a mark on the wall. Also love the box that it comes in. It keeps it nice and organized for each different size. So if your house looks like a museum like mine and you just want something to protect the walls as you're adding to your lovely museum, this is definitely the product for you. And that's my point of view.